Hello everyone, welcome to Alora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this roti. This roti came out really soft. You should definitely try out this way. You will get very soft roti. Let's get started and check out the recipe. Take 1 cup of wheat flour, add oil 1 teaspoon, add salt 1/4 teaspoon or pinch of salt, mix it once. Now add water half cup little by little and make it a tight dough. Make sure you're adding slowly and making it a dough. If you see it's getting watery, you can add more flour, or if you are seeing it is getting more hard, you can add little bit of extra water. Make sure it is the wheat flour is not sticking to your hand and it's getting in a form of dough properly. You can see it is not sticking to my hand. So out of one cup of flour we can make 4 roti. So if you want to make more, then you should add more flour, like one and a half cup of wheat flour. You can add 1 cup of water and make it a tight dough. Now cover it and keep it aside until you make the roti. Now bring the tawa to hot enough and let's divide the dough into 4 equal parts. Okay, so make sure 4 equal parts should be enough to make roti. This will be not very thin, not very thick, and roll it in wheat flour and then now roll it. So while rolling it, press it little hard, okay, and roll it in the sides where it is seeing it is little thick. So keep rotating and keep rolling it and give it a roti shape. Now if you can see, our roti shape is almost ready. So I'm pressing hard wherever it is little thick and rotating it. Now put it on a hot tawa. So give it for 2 minutes and then flip it to the other side. So 2 minutes should be enough to get it cooked. Now flip it and gently press it, not gently, press it properly and then flip it. Now remove it and cover it. Do not forget to cover it. If you do not cover it, it will get hard. So make sure you cover it and keep it aside. And enjoy this hot soft roti. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.